Welcome everyone to week 2 of Year 10 design. You've got all of your information that you need in the various Google Classrooms. The other teachers have got information in theirs as well, and you're welcome to ask your peers from other classes for any information and share information that we have with them as well. Now, the task that will be assigned to you at 1 o'clock today is to assess one of the other students in your class's work and to go through that. So I'd really like you to be doing this, and if you haven't uploaded your work and you're not part of that peer assessment now, peer feedback, then you're going to have to try and get a friend to help you, and or you're going to have to do this on your own. So you need to be looking at these criteria for Section A, and this is about finishing off Section A in a timely and a sensible manner and trying to get the best quality we can into it. So if we zoom in on that Section A from the criteria, here it is again, you'll see what we need to do in this first investigation in Criterion A is we need to explain and justify the need for a problem and a target audience. So our target audience is Year 4. And so you're going to explain that need by looking at, Hong Kong homes and Hong Kong rooms and sizes, and kids need things that are different to adults and all those sorts of things that I explained in the first video. You need to do your detailed research plan. I also explained that in the video and showed you examples. There's examples of all of this in the classroom that you can look up to see as you come to each section. We also did an analysis of existing products, and we looked at trying to find some flat pack chairs that we could get ideas from, etc. And then we needed to finish off our investigation with a detailed design brief. So I'd like to spend a bit more time on that right now. So in that regard, what we really need to do is to make sure that our design brief is a statement that really clearly sort of states at the end, what's the problem, what's our goal, okay? And the goal would be, for instance, I need to cut a flat pack chair out of that's going to suit a Year 4 child and be comfortable and also appealing aesthetically to them, fit in with the theme that they want, whether that be, the Avengers or something like that. But it's got to be then usable, and it's got to be cut out of a 600 by 600 millimeter piece of 9 millimeter ply. So that's our goal. So are there any determined values? So yes, we want to design, we want to have this circular economy idea. We want to minimize waste. We want to cut as efficiently as we can so that we can make this chair so that it can be really usable. Target audience client, we've already spoken about that. Clarify these desirable features, and then what would you consider to be the measure of success of your product. So try to explain that a little bit, and then that will tidy up and finish your design brief. So the aim of this week really is to go back to your feedback that you receive from your peers, and to look at the criteria, and then look through some of the samples that we've given you on the Google Classroom, with research about user-centered design, about how sustainable and environmentally friendly this can be, because we're going to cut it out of plywood and only use 600 mils. Check that you've got all the things done. Okay, so the exercise with the peer review is to check everything, to go back over your assignment now and to get A finished so that you can get down into this bracket at the end. So your work for this week is to get going on your slides and keep working slowly away. And if there's a section that's missing because we haven't seen the Year 4s yet, then you can leave out the Year 4 interview. But we really need you to be making sure that by the end of this week I can come in here, and remember, we're not turning them in, they're all going to be sitting in here, and I can look at your assignment and I can see that the Criterion A is basically finished, because next week we're going to start straight into design. Okay, work hard once again, get in a routine, and good luck, and I'll talk to you later on the week, or you can email in for help, and then I'll make a video next week and we'll get stuck into some designs. The other thing that you can do this week is that you can make sure you're practicing. When you have a moment, practice AutoCAD, go through some of those tutorials that I've already uploaded for you for AutoCAD so that you can get that in preparation for your design stage. Okay, thank you and goodbye.